We
model.
are worker drones, autonomous robots helping humans mine exoplanets for our.
Wonder how I help these humans? So, truth is, I don't know. You wonder how we help these humans? Well, we just keep on helping them out. Our interest in the dark is we just never even know. The mountain space, and we don't really even know how. We give them like a hobby, but then they're gonna keep on escaping.
Mostly because they handle that just fine.
Because it's just right to chaos. You're never gonna be noticed. You're never gonna be noticed because you are never gonna keep on going. You just keep on like a model. Like just keep on. I'm walking my butt off to try to keep you safe. But look at all the death scores. You can never even see one. Crack it on of it now.
Planet, we found it pretty easy to pick up.
Flying like a crazy model.
We had a future.
Flying through the sky. A robot as a baby, that's just weird. I know, but it doesn't kill, but I don't forget because I'm gonna keep on going back and back and back and back out. But keep on going back because I'm gonna kill it because I don't even know what you gotta do. I don't even know what you gotta do because I'm gonna model, but I don't even know what to keep on. Go down, I don't even know to be honest, just flying high in the sky. Get up, maybe just my model because I don't even. Because I'm going down like a lava, but I don't even notice. You think our movie was in control? We know I'm going crazy. Let's pray to all the gods. If you stop praying, I may just kill it. You know what I'm doing. You know what is going on. I'm just a cute little robot. Never about the good things. But come on, I got your articles that we did in the past. Like how in the world did we not get arrested? Just like on the way to even I become on a title. Man, you know. I just got a gun. I will be got you in the class.
It doesn't work.
Well, they were gonna be in my class. They don't know what they're gonna do.
Maybe it does.
Maybe I just will do because I know we just keep on as a robot. This robot, nowadays I just keep on killing. Stabbing, murdering, with the gun.
Oh,
Come on now, just being a little bit over control. I know I'm being crazy the ways I'm being a murderer. You wanna know why I'm in a murderer? I don't even know, to be honest. But you already know. But when you know, you just have to win psycho. I know the way psycho, but come on, you just a block idiot if you don't want your hands. And come on, what even hearts inside of you? You got a good thoughts because you just will keep butting something. Your people keep butting something. You maybe they hate you so much, maybe they want to understand.
Classic toxic masculinity, Chad.
Because you know maybe just keep on you whacking chopping the hells right now.
Wow, Uzi?
But come on, I keep on giving them hell. I don't even know why, to be honest.
Also, how do you know my
But come on, I'm a murderer and you know it's not me.
Well, I'd say
What do you think? I'm expecting some.
Then you might blow the
I know I'm giving you nightmares, but I don't really even care.
Hilarious.
I'm just
Were
a
you at
killer.
testosterone
What's
too
the
hard?
difference? You think I knew somebody with a killer daughter? You think I knew that? Nope.
Oh.
Because that would be totally crazy and whack all at the same time.
So, what's the,
Sick as hell railgun?
Yeah, I'm sick as heck with a way gun. I think God will even notice. I'm sick as heck with a way gun. You're killing every single one. With the way gun, with the everything one. Just like I'm popping. Look at somebody off a talker.
make awesome doors so we don't
So, wonder why I did this. Honestly, I just don't really know. But I know I gotta do it. I'm sick as heck when I get the gun.
You just said.
No more feedback on my repression today!
So you wouldn't even know that I just gotta keep on killing me because you already know it. Come on, you never keep on to talk to me, but I don't even know why.
I'm not mad at you, by the way, just generally hormonal.
Yeah, I'm sending a hormone to you because I won't even why because they keep on telling me. I keep on giving you her because I don't even know because yeah.